Okay, this is me trying it again because the other one was kind of shoddy, and I didn't really think about it. I thought I should have. But I'm gonna be singing Peyton Ray's Burroughs song Mississippi Crying. It's still my favorite sad song, regardless. And if you leave a negative comment, you will be deleted. So let me see if I can get the music to work, and we can give it a shot. Okay, here we go. He's running down the same face of his lonely town, and I drive. And I keep pushing for one good reason why you said goodbye and turned around. Oh, you're leaving me in this empty state, and all I see are dark clouds as you drive away. Mississippi's crying, baby. Mississippi's sad. I think we just figured out you ain't coming back. I can see you leaving. Can't hold back the tears. Oh, pouring down in my heart thinks it's dying. Mississippi's crying. Mississippi's crying. Families looking for a headlight shining in this to drive away, but they don't shine. And I keep thinking this crazy storm will drive you home, but not this time. Oh, my only wish is to change the weather. Are you coming back? Or is it gonna rain forever? Mississippi's crying, baby. Mississippi's sad. I think we just figured out you ain't coming back. And I can see you leaving, and it can't hold back the tears. Baby's crying. Baby's crying. Mississippi's crying. We're going, baby. What's in Tennessee? Never said a word about Memphis. So who is she? It keeps running down the same face of a lonely town, and I drown.